wish I won't forget. We ain't had no lights, but we still found a way. And I sing a song to get me through the day. God put us right up out the mud, oh, from the gutters to the runway. First time I ever seen snow falling. Craziest thing I've ever seen. Crazier than my wildest dreams. I fell in love, broke my heart, almost gave up, but I gained a lot from losing. Tales of a score.
What's up, you beautiful people? I got my camera back. As y'all can see, yo, the quality is sick. I'm back. The quality is sick. No more T6i, no more $800 camera. We are back. My skin is black and I'm looking good, okay? I'm back on the EOS R, okay? I'm on the EOS R. The body I just got done, I think the body itself was almost $2,500, so I'm glad that's not crazy. The lens is 2100, 21 used, so shit, that's probably like 24, 25 brand new. And the point is, bro, I got it back. This camera is heavy, and it's not, you know, vloggers usually using these smaller cameras with better filters, right? But I like this bigger Canon EOS R because it's a big boy, man. It's a big boy. This is what this camera is for. I got it in one hand. It's huge. It's heavy as hell compared to, what was I using? It's heavy as hell compared to that damn, what was I using? The T6i, because the T6, T7s are lighter, but the quality don't beat this. Now, the reason I say that is because well, look out for cops here, but the T6 and T7i are 18, I think the T6 is 18 megapixel, the T7 is like 22, 23, and then moving to the EOS R, this is a full frame mirrorless, okay, hear it with me, full frame mirrorless camera. So we're shooting at almost 30 or 32 megapixels or something like that, man. Like, I love it. I got my baby back. I've been waiting. Let me make sure I'm zooming and shit, but I've been waiting for this camera forever, so I'm glad I got it. Today we driving and chilling. We are in the Z, you know what I'm saying, just coming from work, man. So done serving my country, now it's time for me to serve myself. But yeah, I'm in the Z. I got the camera back. Let me see if y'all can see. Ooh, I almost took out that trash can now. Y'all see? No. We'll see when we get to the house. But like I said, man, I'm glad to be driving. I got my camera back, and I'm just blessed yet again to hide my address. I don't want nobody knowing where I'm living. That would be super weird. I don't want nobody know where in the crib at and stuff like that, man. But I'm so excited to be home. So I need to go wash my baby dog, all right? My dog Moses. I need to go wash my fat boy. But we are gonna go find somewhere to drop these tires off. I need to get the tires changed on the Camaro. They look bad. So when we pull up to the house, I'll show you what the tires look like. They're terrible. I had them on before the accident, which I hydroplaned because you know, that's exactly like what messed me up. So for my smart people, like I said, I hydroplaned, you know what I'm saying? And insurance took care of that. But I'm going to attach a couple videos real quick, little short ones y'all can see right here exactly what was going on with the car when we got it towed.
Yeah, my car's totaled though, but
hey guys, if you want to watch out.
That didn't last long.
I can't believe, y'all, I hit my brakes and nothing happened. I hit the pedal, nothing happened. It just kept going and going and going and going. Devastated. Oh man. At least Bree had my back, so. And stuff like that. So I'm just glad she's fixed. I'm glad she's good to go. But I hydroplaned, okay? But yeah, man, like I said, I'm just excited that my car is fixed and is back. Now I just got to make sure she's driving right. So we're going to put some new tires on. On the tires I currently have on, the inner thread is pretty crappy on them. They're bald on the inside. I got an alignment before the crash. And I got an alignment when the car was fixed. So the tires were like that before the crash. I know when I went to the track, I shouldn't have had those tires out here. I driving the car, doing whatever. I shouldn't have had those tires on or whatever, even for the weather and hydroplaning and stuff. But these cars aren't cheap. The tires aren't cheap. So you want to drive big, you better go big. So long story short, I will stop being cheap with my car. You cannot be cheap with these cars, okay? So don't do that. If you want a car like this, take care of it, man. So I'm just excited to be back, y'all. I'm excited. I got my camera, I got my lens. Oh, I'm so excited. But anyways, we're pulling up to the house. I'll be back. Let's see what everybody else is doing. Let's get started. Thank y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, man. Channel's been growing. It's been doing amazing, and I'm excited. Like I said, I'm blessed in so many ways. I cannot complain. I'm blessed in too many ways. I cannot complain, man. I appreciate y'all every time, every like, every comment, every second y'all spend on this. I appreciate it. It's just straight up being grateful, straight up being thankful for every opportunity in life I'm blessed with. You know, I'm a full-time soldier, 100%, been doing this for 12 freaking years straight. But YouTube is my hobby, you know what I'm saying? I have a career and I have a hobby, all right? So the military, serving my country and doing something and putting other people before myself, to include my nation, is my number one. But my number two is my fun and my YouTube and stuff like that. I love it, love photography, love videography. I love creating digital creation, stuff like that, man. I'm blessed for it. So let's get started and see y'all boys in a little bit. It was crazy. I did all that car washing yesterday for nothing. I sat here and washed the crap out my tires, and it rained today. Rained. Look how filthy that is. Bruh, that's ridiculous. I did all that work for absolutely nothing. But she's parked up. We about to head in the house. Let's see what everybody's doing real quick. Let's say hello to the loved ones. Like a bum she is. Got the camera back.
Tell me my father.
Ooh. Well, who's your dad? I'm not your dad.
I said father.
I'm not your father. I gotta grab these tires real quick and throw it in Bree's back.
I made 100,000 off of type beats. Me and my niggas, we do it like Nike. She asked me if I'm high, I said I might be. That bitch hitting my phone, wanna bite me. She want my money, I don't think she like me. I like my bitch ass fat, real feisty. Fuck the nigga bitch, not the nigga wanna fight me. That's your bitch, not my fault that she like me. Do it again, riding the beans, pick up a friend. Don't get the dough, ain't letting them in. Treat her like a 5, but she really a 10. Don't bring the bitch, she ain't bringing a friend. Fuck that little bitch and I treat like my kin. Ain't scratching beef, we ain't making amends. She suck the dick.
Up and loaded in Bree's car. Y'all know I'm not putting it in the Camaro to get started, but let's do that cold start one more time. Alright, cold start is the best start.
A few moments later.
Alright, y'all, so I found a spot. Shout out to 24 Hour Tire, getting it done. Right down the road. I'll be back. Violet trying to get in my vlog. Pull a spot real quick, okay? I'm all about local business, so shout out to 24 Hour Tire Shop. Yes, they do it outside, but you know what? We get the job done, man. This is a real race car. We don't have time for all that pretty nitty gritty, missing a left titty kind of thing, so we're gonna make it work. Right now, we are currently looking at a gender reveal. So shout out to my cousin for her gender reveal. Ooh, you got bright real quick. Okay, Violet looks ridiculous. Anyways, I'll give y'all a quick montage when they start changing their tires. Other than that, I'll catch y'all in a little bit. Blue. Turn the mic on. Turn the mic
It
on.
froze.
Turn the mic on. Watch the blue.
Boy.
Watch the blue come out. Watch the blue come out.
Not team boy.
Boy, boy, boy.
Blue for boy. Pink for girl.
Oh, don't lag. It's lagging. Let's go.
It ain't like this whole
Your
time.
Wi-Fi off?
Nah, but I don't want to mess with it now.
You
Is it
have
about
to
to
turn
go?
the Wi-Fi off.
It's gotta be. There's a couple people around.
Oh, I haven't. Thing.
Oh my god, it's a girl!
Where was the boy? Oh my god.
It's a girl!
Oh, congratulations!
Oh my goodness.
Alright guys, so they couldn't get it because they don't have a low profile setup, so I'm gonna have to go somewhere else. We will try again at a next point, okay? So I'm gonna try a different location. Just wanna be safe, be smart, and make sure I don't scratch my rims. So we will continue this video probably tomorrow.
You will cry, but that's what's taking you to one whole night where you don't have pain in you. Those are the nights I remember, nights I won't forget. We ain't had no lights, but we still found a way. And I sing a song to get me through the day. God put us right up out the mud, eh? Oh, from the gutters to the runway. First time I ever seen snow falling. Craziest thing I've ever seen. Crazier than my wildest dreams. I fell in love, broke my heart, almost gave up, but I gained a lot from losing. Tales of a scorpion, the brave little champion that carries poison. Time